So how to use the tense machine called Beurer EM49. It's a good idea to just check the manual first. However, this is a quick guide. So to start it, first connect the pads. Just to demonstrate, I'll just place it somewhere random. Because if the pads are not connected, the device will just not start when you start the actual tense program. So in order to start the device, press the start button. In order to switch from tense, we have, if you press menu, it will switch from tense to AMS and massage. Let's say we want tense. Press enter. And now I can select the program. So you can find what each program does in the manual. For example, you have tense, AMS, and on the other page, massage. So as I said, we want to use tense, and for example, the first program is for pain in upper limbs, ankle pain, shoulder pain, pain in the back, pain relief, and so on. So let's say I want to use pain in the back. So I need to select 6, the program called 6. I press enter. And now with these two buttons, I can just start to increase the intensity. So I can already feel the pads working here. Now, since I'm using only the right cable, I can increase only on the right side. If I would have had the left cable as well with the other 2 pads, I could just increase here to 10 as well. So if you have 4 pads, 2 cables, just use the same value on both sides using these arrows. So you can also increase or decrease even if it's running, and you can see it will run for 30 minutes and it will stop, and it's running at 60 Hertz. If you just want to stop it for some reason, just do a long press on this button and it will just stop completely. So something like this, and you can just remove the pads, place them like this. Okay, and it's a good idea to just check the manual to see all kind of programs, since for example tense has 12, AMS has like 32, and massage has 20. So there are a lot of programs that you can try. You can pause the video to see all the programs in case that you don't have the manual. So this is how this tense machine from Beurer works, made in Germany. Alright, so if you have any questions, leave in the comments. If you found the video useful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.